Regina, I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be duck. Do that.
Hey guys, have her scoot back a bit so I can see Oliver.
Scoot back a little bit. Ow! Oh.
Okay, okay. Are you ready, Reggie?
Yeah. Regina, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Can you show me your dance?
Regina, show her your dance. Show mommy your dance. Come over there.
No, don't go too close to me though. Just stand in front of your sisters. Right
Stand
there.
right here, Regina.
Come on.
How about you do the rabbit? No, I want to be a baby.
You can't fit in this stroller, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey Lily, have her do that thing.
Regina, watch this. Regina, watch this. Watch this, Lily. Watch this. Okay, look at mom and do it, okay?
Show mommy. You do it for mom. Oh, you're so funny. Okay. Can you do the chicken for me now? The chicken dance?
Regina, do the chicken dance.
Please, can you show mommy the chicken dance?
Show mommy the chicken dance, Regina. Okay, stop. Okay. Regina, show mommy the chicken dance. Show mommy. You're like a little worm.
Okay, how about Katie start singing the chicken dance?
I don't want to be a chicken. I want to be a chicken.
Okay.
I don't want to be a duck.
Alright, go stand in front of your sisters and face mommy so I can see you.
Look at mommy and do the chicken dance. Show mommy the chicken dance.
Okay, how does it go?
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
Okay, you do it, Reggie. Show mom. Stay right there and show mommy. How does it go?
I don't want to be a duck. I don't want to be a chicken.
What do you want?
I'll go. I don't want to shake my butt.
Okay, can you sing it? You're getting kind of close.
I think she's dancing.
You're getting too close. I can't see you. Okay, here you go. I can't back up.
Is that ballet? Regina, come here and do ballet. Is she doing ballet?
I don't know what she's doing.
Are you doing ballet? Ballet.
Regina. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
I just want to say bye bye. How about we do
I think she's got camera shy.
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. I don't want to shake my butt. I don't want to shake. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. I want to shake my butt, butt, butt.
Good job.
Let's do some ballet. Time for the next song called
You guys really can't get too close or I can't see all of you.
Hey, move back. You're not doing ballet, are you?
Maybe this is the wrong room to be doing this in.
I do ballet.
Okay, you do ballet. Reggie, you're way too close. Ah, bright lights.